Okay, now so our welder still has your wheel.
Gotcha. We're taking the wheels, go get welded, and yeah, it's about time. So once we get it welded, give it about 2 days, he said, and then we'll be on our way to get tires, and it's go time. Let's get it, boys. I'm taking this to the Wheelcraft place because that's where it belongs. Wheelcraft Northwest, in the northwest side of Vancouver, Washington, in US. Damn, this wheel is actually kind of heavy, so not racing wheel, but I'll show you guys the crack is right there. It's a nice little crack, ass crack. About 1 inch is what they can repair apparently, and that's about 1 inch. So hopefully it works out. All right, let's get to it, boys. All right, guys, we're here at the Wheelcraft. Is it Wheelcraft? Yep, Wheelcraft Northwest. Right there's their truck. Boom. We're gonna drop the wheels off, and I'll get you guys posted from there. So let's go. So we got the wheels dropped off at the Wheelcraft place, and it's gonna take about 2 days for me to get it back. They're gonna give me a call. I'm gonna go pick it up, and yeah, we're gonna have all 4 sets of wheels this week, and then possibly get them on. So pretty stoked about that. I'm gonna get a quote on how much it's gonna cost to repair all the wheels eventually, because it's basically they're gonna fix it up, all the curb rash that's on every wheel, and you know there's damage here and there, and for them to fix it up and repaint it possibly, it's gonna make the wheel basically new. So instead of buying brand new wheels, I might be able to pay for them to fix it, and the cost of me having those sets of wheels will still be cheaper than if I were to buy them brand new. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. It is cold as hell, windy as hell. It's like I'm in Alaska, right? And it's snowing. So, will you look at that? Guys, I gotta take the bumper off real quick and get to the bash bar, and then we're gonna take the bash bar off and sand it down or hit it with a Scotch-Brite pad, and then we're gonna get some primer on there and then start getting it ready. So let's get to it. Oh, it was already open. Okay. All right, listen to this, guys. You can still hear the bullet hole from when I opened the hood. That's crazy. All right, guys, check this out. I got the bash bar here. It looks good, but it ain't painted. So I'm gonna make it match the bronze wheels, and it's gonna look sick. So let's get that going right now. First I gotta unbolt it, and then we're gonna try and scuff it down and then get some primer on there. It's super cold in the garage. It's almost like 40 degrees, so I don't really know how I'm gonna do this yet, but I might have to get the heater in front of the paint. First step is going to be scuffing it with a scuff pad to get the metal more adhesion for the paint. Get it nice and scuffed, scuff off all the rust and all that. Then we're going to hit it with self-etching primer, so that way we can get the primer for the paint to stick to it. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get it, boys. So I got it scuffed enough, I think. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with the primer, or wipe it down first, obviously, and then spray it down with the primer, and then we're gonna get the first coat on, and then after that, we're gonna wait and then get some paint on there and do a few coats. So let's get it. So we got the primer on. Let's let it dry, give it about 15 minutes, and then yeah, get the paint ready. Had to lay a thick coat. It's kind of weird angle because what I put it on, but that's all I had. So let's just let that dry for now. Got the heater going, the fan blowing, my door open. So let's get it. Gotcha. So it'll probably be done tomorrow is what you're saying.
We should be done tomorrow, yes, sir.
Perfect. Awesome. I'll just probably wait for you guys to call me tomorrow, and we'll see from there, I guess. Perfect. Awesome. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem at all.
So the wheel is not going to be done till tomorrow, sadly. This is from the sounds of it. They said 2 days. I don't know what the hell is going on, but we're going to finish the bar, get it on at least, and go from there. So kind of bummed, but it is what it is, and sometimes shit takes longer. But we'll work on other stuff in the meantime. We're going to get the bar done and painted and installed back and go from there. So I just finished painting the bash bar and it looks absolutely amazing. Check it out. Freaking nice gold gloss, bronze, whatever you call it. Oh, it's such a nice color. It has like a little shimmer to it, like a little glossy, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a nice color. It's a perfect color. I actually think about painting my wheels that color eventually if I decide to paint my wheels. My wheels are darker bronze, as you can see. It has more of a copper style color to it, like a darker hue, but this is also nice. It stands out. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So update for the wheels, I'm not getting it today, it looks like. So tomorrow, if I get the wheels, I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna put the bar on. I'm gonna go out and take some pics with just the bash bar and the wheels. Not put the upper on and see how it looks for you guys, but we're gonna get the wheels tomorrow. I'm just glad we finished this today and it turned out really nice. It's gonna go well with the car and it's the color theme I'm going for. I like that bronze and that black color. Gives it a nice, just, I don't know what it is about it. I just like that color a lot and it's super clean in my eyes, but man, this is awesome. Super stoked, guys, super stoked. I'm gonna end the video here. That's just me painting my bash bar. And I'm gonna get the installed in and show you guys how it's gonna look after. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you liked the video, comment down below, like, subscribe, and share, guys, because like I said, I'm making content. I'm gonna try to vlog every other day, and we're gonna get this content out there for you guys to see the build on my IS300. Live courageously. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, boys. Later.